What's going on, peeps? I'm Russell.
I'm Mia.
And we're doing the photo shoots. Yes. And the freaking sunflowers. Woo-hoo. Freaking yes.
Freaking yes.
So yeah, we're gonna go do that, and then we're gonna do some light painting afterwards. Okay, here we go. A little bit of it. I've been really obsessed with reflections and stuff lately. What we're gonna do, I don't know if it's gonna work, we're gonna find out. Basically, what you're gonna see is Mia's gonna go lay down in the flowers, and then I'm gonna use this as like a drone because it's cool like that. Let's give it a shot. That's it for tonight, because the bugs, we didn't bring bug spray. We're not. I thought about it and I forgot. So we got a piece out. I got a giant one on my arm. It's great.
I have them everywhere.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Anywho, yeah. So we'll see you next time. You know, like, subscribe, all that jazziness. Jazziness, that's the thing now. Anywho, see you later. Okay, bye.
Day 4 in the sunflowers. I've been here 31 years, no sign of rescue yet. I have hope though. There's food to eat. These leaves and these bugs. Sometimes I pretend I'm eating salad, and then I remember I'm trapped in the sunflowers. Maybe one day they'll rescue me. These here airplanes, go through the sky.
Mia, where you at? Oh, I see you now.
Is that hope of being rescued? Or is it just another strange traveler out here to get me? This is the end. I think he's come to murder me. Goodbye, cruel world.